Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to replace a brake light bulb on a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. This is also controls the turn signal. In this case, it's the right side. We got this little access panel over here. Once you rip that out, you'll be able to see over here we got the white screw that we got to unscrew, and then there's a connector for it. For the connector, it's got a little red tab over there. Either use your fingernail or a screwdriver and pop that out, and then you push the clip in and that guy comes right out. And then we want to take this guy and unscrew this guy counterclockwise, and that'll release our whole tail lamp assembly out. So put that guy to the side, and this guy pops right out like that. And now we want to take apart this control panel over here, and the bulb's going to be on the inside of this. So this guy just has clips all the way around. Just push these tabs back, and this guy should unclip. Having two hands would be a little bit easier. Alright, so we got that last clip out. And we'll just pop this guy over. And here's the burnt out bulb. This guy we push in, turn counterclockwise, and it pops right out. In case you guys are wondering what bulb it takes a 7506. So we'll line this guy up with these two grooves here. There's one there and one here. Line the straps from the bottom up, and then push it in. And go to the clockwise. And that guy's in there nice and snug now. Now we'll put this cover back on here. Make sure this gasket around here doesn't pop out of place. And once you line the bulb up with the hole in there, line this guy up. Make sure we don't catch any wires. And then we'll just make sure all these clips snap back in. Once all those are clipped back up, I'll take this guy. There's this groove here. This guy's going to line up with that. Now, we get back into it. Take the white screw that we took out initially, and put that back in there. And we'll start screwing it back up. Once that guy's nice and snug, reach around for your connector and plug that back in there. Don't forget to push in that red tab. Put your little access cover back on here. And you guys are all set. So that's how you replace your taillight bulb on a 2012, I believe, to 2016 Volkswagen Passat. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.